This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and environment. Back up important files, then make sure you have a stable internet connection and your device is plugged in. Interrupted updates cause corruption. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security and click Windows Update to note the exact error code. You'll need that code to target troubleshooting. While you're viewing it, jot down any error numbers and recent update names because they guide which service or package to reset next. Next, you reset the update system to remove corrupted caches. Run command prompt as administrator. Stop WUSERV, bits, and crypts. This frees locked files. Then rename the software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders to old so Windows recreates them. After that, restart the same services and run sfc/scano to detect corrupt system files. If issues persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the. Finally, check for updates again and install any pending cumulative or feature updates. This confirms whether the reset succeeded. If the same error appears, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter to automate fixes and then inspect CBS and Windows Update. Log for clues. Make sure to reboot between attempts. If none of that works, perform a repair install using the media creation tool to keep your files, or a clean install as last resort. A key tip: note the recurring error code before drastic steps to target the right fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.